Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Survive, EO on mobile. First, download the official Survive, EO application from your device's App Store. Once installed, launch the game and navigate to the Settings menu to select your preferred control scheme. You can choose between various options to best suit your playstyle. Before jumping into a match, take a moment to customize your character's appearance and set your in-game name. This ensures you are ready for battle. Now, let's cover the essential mobile controls. You will find a virtual joystick on the left side of your screen. Use this to smoothly move your character around the map. To aim and fire your equipped weapon, simply tap the right side of the screen. When you encounter items, doors, or other interactable objects, an action button will appear. Tap this button to interact with them, picking up loot or opening passages. Looting is crucial for survival. Simply walk over weapons, armor, and consumables like bandages or sodas to automatically pick them up. To manage your collected items, open your inventory. Here, you can equip better gear, swap weapons, and use health kits or other supplies. When engaging enemies, aim carefully and always try to utilize environmental cover. This will give you a significant tactical advantage in firefights. To truly master Survive, EO, remember these advanced tips. Always stay inside the shrinking red zone to avoid taking continuous damage, which can quickly end your game. Utilize grenades, smoke bombs, and other throwables to flush out hidden opponents or create diversions. If playing with friends, coordinate with your teammates in duo or squad modes. Effective teamwork significantly increases your chances of achieving a victory royale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.